What's going on, guys? If you remember right, last time we gave a little quick discussion about nutrition, what to avoid, what to make sure you do, eating after a workout. This time we're back. We just went grocery shopping. Now we're gonna show you what we eat, what's good to eat, and what to avoid when grocery shopping.
I know my biggest struggle is basically what to pick out at the grocery store. So this is gonna break it down for you guys to what to avoid, what to get that's organic versus non-organic, and how to really prep for the week, which will be another episode. But right now we're just gonna take you step by step by each different food category groups and tell you what to look out for.
And show you our grocery list.
Exactly. Got 3 different types of meat options for the week. First being the most basic, chicken breast. And that's where I like to go organic on chicken, or any kind of meat. If I go organic, I would focus on the meat just because of any kind of GMO and making sure it's healthy and the best you can get. So we got chicken breast, we got a little bit of salmon, not too much because that's something that doesn't really stay for the week. So when I cook salmon, I like to have it for the day of or the next day, and ground turkey. And ground turkey you can substitute with ground beef if you want. We prefer to go a little healthier this time, so we did the ground turkey instead.
Yeah, definitely a lot leaner meat than the ground beef, especially different fat options, because a lot of people, they like to get like the 85% fat, 15% lean, which is, it tastes better, but it's not as good for you. So turkey's the way to go.
For turkey, we got 98% lean this time. So really, really on the healthy side.
Now we have some of the side dishes to go with our proteins. We have some vegetables, of course, and we have some carbs. So right here we have some sweet potatoes. This is gonna be going with our chicken breast. We have some bell peppers. This is gonna be great with our Southwest mix that we're gonna be making with the ground turkey. Over here we got some potatoes, some more carbs. This is gonna be going with, what are we gonna pair that with this time? Maybe some salmon. Maybe some salmon. Now we've got some broccoli over here. This is probably gonna go with our chicken breast as well. It'd be a great vegetable for it.
Asparagus.
Asparagus, you know what that's going with. The salmon, of course.
There you go. Angel hair pasta.
This is gonna be going with our lean beef, or we got ground turkey, so our lean turkey spaghetti that we're gonna be making. We got some onions right here. This is probably going in our Southwest mix as well. We got some jalapeños, the spice things.
I like spicy.
You like spicy?
Especially when you're eating healthy. Normally a lot of people, you try to avoid sodium and salt, so you've got to make up for something that doesn't have so much sodium. So we're gonna give you some options here that will really work that in, so you can still have the flavor, but yet be lean with it.
And we like spicy food. It makes everything taste better. And we got the black beans to also go with the Southwest mix.
Can't go wrong with that.
Of course not. Now over here, one of our meals is gonna be a salad. So we have 2 bags of spinach. We have some cherry tomatoes, organic of course. Then we got a little mix right here. It's got some onions and bell peppers in it, so we don't have to cut everything up. We gotta keep it accessible, right?
Exactly.
Then we got some carrots right here to go with it as well. And you can add more vegetable to it. We like to keep it simple, and this is like what we like to eat out of it. You can even throw in, if you want more protein, throw in some chicken breast, maybe some like lemon pepper chicken.
And we're gonna mix it up with some chicken this time.
Yeah, or even like tuna, or whatever kind of protein you like, you can throw it in here as well, or other vegetables. Some people even throw in fruit, but be careful.
I even like eggs, like hard-boiled eggs a little bit.
Yeah.
That can be good too.
Those are great too.
So this is gonna be the most important part of the day, which is breakfast. It's the heartiest meal. It gets you up and going, gets you ready to go. And because time is a constraint, especially for me in the morning, I don't wanna wake up every morning having to cook breakfast. We like to do overnight oats. That way we can prep it ahead of time, get it ready, and you wake up and you get a meal ready to go. So we have the oats, The best milk for this would be almond milk. It's flavorful, but yet it's very, very nice and lean, so that way it doesn't have a lot of the sugar.
Yeah.
Blueberries, gotta love blueberries. And then also if you wanna mix it up, get some hard-boiled eggs, or how else would you put poached?
Yeah, you can even make scrambled as long as you're not, putting on the cheese and
or the butter.
Yeah, you can have that. And also the blueberries are great for breakfast because it's an energy fruit. So any kind of berry that you're gonna put in it is gonna give you that energy that's necessary for the morning time.
Don't forget, it's antioxidants, so you gotta get that skin glow.
Yeah, always.
I gotta get that skin glow. So this section right here, go ahead and tell us what this special section right here is for.
This is for our snacks in between meals. If we get hungry, it'll keep us away from eating that junk food, going to McDonald's, eating chocolate bars, eating candy bars, eating Skittles, eating...
I kind of got this too for that.
Okay, but this is better than a Hershey.
Fine dark chocolate.
Yeah, and if you look at the sugar on the back, it's definitely not as high in sugar as anything else.
It's not, and you would have a little bit of it. This is just to like...
Get rid of that sweet tooth.
Exactly. Yeah. You have a sweet tooth?
Always, man, always. That's why I gotta keep these snacks on hand because if
Dessert comes when?
Dessert always comes last.
Does it?
We try to keep it that way at least.
And popcorn. I love the popcorn.
We got our fats right here. We got the almonds.
I love almond butter. And this one you can put on vegetables, so we can mix it up with some carrots. Celery, very, very good. And then a little more on the sweet end. So this will be your banana with the almond butter is bomb.
Yeah, it's great.
And you can mix it with peanut butter if you like peanut butter better.
Yeah.
We prefer almond butter.
Yeah, it's a lot leaner too. Like it's less, saturated fats and things of that nature. Also, you got the celery, which increases circulation as well. So there's all kind of benefits to these healthy foods as well. But that's also a great snack, so we're not eating, Skittles and cake and Hostess.
And you need that too sometimes. So you're gonna have to have your cheat meals. But on a regular basis, if you really want to live that healthy lifestyle and take your nutrition and your fitness to that next level, where you feed your mind, your body, and your soul, these are the options to go. And you have it. You have your meats, you have your sides, you have your salads, you have your breakfast, you have your snacks. What the hell is the dessert? And you got a dessert.